nó khui con trâu luôn, trâu chết, chui phần rồi lời đó.
Corona! Corona!
Anal?
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
morning.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Perfect.
Say perfect.
Perfect.
Say perfect.
Perfect.
Say perfect.
Perfect.
Say perfect.
Fuck it.
What?
Say perfect.
Fuck it.
Show us your cock.
Neo!
Alright. Whoa.
Oh, whoa!
فارقوا بالنصر المبين دولة الإسلام قامت بدماء الصادقين.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
You can do anything you want when you're financially stable. Hi, I deliver pizza for Domino's and I just got tipped 56 fucking cents.
I'll fight you for it.
So dirty.
Oh, Eagle's fucking me off. Really pissing me off. Really, let's go for cigarettes. Eagle, I'm pissed off.
Second, bro.
Okay. I'm really fucking annoyed at you. ¿Qué pasa, Jake? You're walking around like you're fucking big coño. Talk fucking English. Mira aquí, mira aquí. What? Toma. Ay, marica, vete para allá, anda. Vete. Vamos a fumar un cigarro ahora.
I'm going undercover as a woman to find out what they go through every day. I discovered that women are called faggot a lot.
Can't resist this!
We got German fairy tales for you.
They're grim.
Once upon a time, two brothers watched their father butcher ein pig.
Bruder, we should play butcher and the pig.
Ja.
Here's a knife.
Ah, my neck! Oh, we did not think this through.
The mother was washing the youngest child.
What is all this noise? Oh, you have stabbed my son in the neck. I will stab you in the heart. No! Oh nein, I've been stabbed in my heart. Oh nein, my other son is still taking a bath. He drowned. I guess I'll end it all.
Hello, my beautiful family. Oh nein, all dead?
And then the father dies of a broken heart.
Babe, wake up, there's a truck coming! I'm sorry, it was funny. My truck. It was getting towed.
You're in your window. It's for my mom. She's missing.
Oh, gosh. Go ahead.
It's the midnight, and something evil's lurking in the dark.
What?
Water's beautiful, man.
Oh, yeah.